This is the fourth video, and I'm doing each of the process parts of the various practice areas that I'm involved in, including tax, bankruptcy, estate planning, and we'll do some on some other more unique situations that I've run into. So this is the fourth video. The first one we did was on the initial consultation, just talking about a Chapter 7 versus a Chapter 13, and talking about income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, and qualification for the bankruptcy. And you should work with a good attorney who really is willing to explain these things in the initial consultation and walk you through the process so that you get a good result at the other end. The second appointment is really on you in making sure that you've done an adequate, more than adequate job on the questionnaire, filling out the information, bringing all the relevant documents from the list, doing the credit counseling, the interview, and then of course your first payment. Before you get to the third appointment, you've got to make sure all the information is received in, and then also at that point that you're going to be dealing with making sure in the third appointment that you're signing and initialing the actual petition that will be sent in. The fourth situation is really the filing, and so we're going to deal with the filing situation here, okay? And we'll call it the fourth step, okay? And the reason we're in this situation, I did a little differently this way. The filing itself is unique because people will think that they file for bankruptcy back here, or at the second step, or at the third step. But you do not have any protections until you get the actual filing and it's filed with the bankruptcy court. Not with the attorney, not in those situations where you're connected to the attorney, not where you've paid the attorney, but where the filing actually occurs. So if there's question about whether or not your creditors can still come after you, garnish you, attach your to your property, that sort of thing, up until this moment right here at filing, when you get to this spot, they can still come after you. So you want to make sure that you know when this is going to happen, that you've done all the work to make sure that it happens correctly. So that gives you an understanding that filing is really, really important, and your filing date is important in regards to some of the protections you have, and also the protections that creditors have to be able to come after your property. Okay, we're going to go to video number 5. My name is Todd Corser, and I want to urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to visit CorserLaw.com.